Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So I had a few clients ask me about some 0% intro rate credit cards. So if you're looking to get some credit cards where it's a 0% intro rate, then I'm going to show you a few credit cards that you guys can sign up for. Now, some of these credit cards is going to require that you have, a decent credit score. I mean, not a 500 credit score to get these credit cards, but, if you guys have a decent credit score, you should be able to get approved for these credit cards. Now, the first company I want to talk to you guys about is Capital One. I know I tell you guys about a lot of different credit cards you can get with Capital One, but they have different credit cards from 0% intro credit cards all the way down to credit cards where they're secure credit cards. So you guys can get the Venture One credit card, which is a 0% intro rate, the Savor One credit card. They also have the Spark Business. So if you have a business, you can get the 0% APR for 12 months, you guys, on that credit card. And when you get these credit cards, don't forget, it's only going to be for a limited amount of time. So don't think that it's going to last forever. It's going to be only for a set amount of time. And you're going to know what that time is when you apply for your credit card. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Chase Freedom credit card. Now with the Chase Freedom, the Chase Freedom Unlimited and then the Chase Freedom Flex. Now with these credit cards, you guys, you're going to have the 0% intro rate for 15 months. And that's when you open up the account. But then after that, you got to figure out what your interest rate is going to be because it will differ. After your 0% intro rate, you're going to have a different rate going forward. So you want to find out what that rate is going to be. So for these credit cards, they're saying 14.99% all the way up to 23.74%. So make sure you guys definitely check that out. Figure out what your rate is going to be afterwards. So what's your APR going to be after you have that 0%? Now, these credit cards offer more things too, such as Capital One, they do too, but you can earn a $200 after you spend $500 in your first 3 months. And then also you guys will get 5% cash back grocery store offer. So, every credit card is different, but definitely weigh your odds and figure out which credit card you want to get. Some of these credit cards, you can get the 0% APR even with balance transfer. So say if you max out some of your credit cards and you need to get another credit card so that you can put all of your other credit cards onto this new credit card and you're going to stop paying that interest. Sometimes people paying 20%. 24% on $5,000, $10,000. So they'll try to get a new credit card. And when they apply for that new credit card, they'll move that whole balance over, that $5,000, $10,000. They'll move that over to their new credit card. And then they'll just make sure that they have that balance paid off within the 15 months, for example, for this credit card, because we have the 0% APR for 15 months. But they'll try to pay it off before that time so that they're not paying any interest. Because sometimes you could be paying $100, $200, $300 in interest depending on what's that balance on that credit card. So you may want to do a balance transfer. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Discover It credit card. Now, this credit card has cash back also. They have no annual fee, which is really great. And they have the 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter. So they have like the rotating quarters where it's like Amazon, stores, restaurants, gas stations. If you're going to use it to pay for PayPal, they have different stores, but you're going to automatically get 1% cash back on all of your purchases too. So that's good. And two, they have the 2X dollar for dollar on all of your cash back you earn by the end of the year, by the end of your first year. So that's really good. So they're going to double whatever you earn. So now they have different dates because you can see here, you're like, okay, where am I going to get my cash back from? For those people that's kind of interested, you'll see that they have different places like, hey, you're going to get 5% back at Amazon, Walmart, and Target from October to December. And then from January, you're going to get the grocery stores and fitness club and gym memberships. And it's going to be up to $1,500. And each quarter is different. So make sure you guys definitely check that out. Now, for them, they have the 0% intro APR for 14 months on purchases and balance transfer. There is a 3% intro balance transfer fee until February 10th, 2020. Then after that, don't forget, you're going to have that 0% APR for 14 months. But after that, you guys are going to get charged the 11.99% to 22.99%. And it's going to be a 5% balance transfer fee for the future. But you're able to pick 25 different designs with them, and they have a lot of different features. So definitely, you guys, check them out if you are interested in getting their credit card. They have a lot of different things that they're giving out. So the next credit card I want to talk about is the Citi Double Cash. Now, the Citi Double Cash credit card, you guys, is going to be a MasterCard. Now, with this one, they have different things. So let's go ahead and see what they have going on. So you guys are not going to have an annual fee, which is really good. And you guys are going to get 0% intro APR transfer for 18 months. APR balance transfer for 18 months. So for those people, like I was telling you, if you have maxed out credit cards, and with your maxed out credit cards, you're paying a lot of money in interest, it may be best for you just to go ahead and transfer the balance onto a new credit card so that you can stop paying interest, and you can just knock down the balance. And anything that you were paying before, I still want you to pay that towards the credit card and try to get it paid off while you still have that 0% APR rate. Because after that, you're going to go to 13.99 and 23, between 13.99 and 23.99. And that still may not be ideal for you. But go ahead, while you have a credit card where you have the 0% APR, don't rack up more debt. Go ahead and pay off those old credit cards. Do a balance transfer, and that's going to last 18 months. That way you're not paying interest anymore. So whatever you're paying towards that credit card is actually going towards the balance and not just towards the interest. Like I said, some people be paying $200, $300, $400 for interest, and they're wondering why their balance is not going down, but they're paying on a credit card, and that's because it's actually going towards their interest and not their actual payment. Now, if you guys are unable to get approved for these credit cards, you may just need to raise your credit score up. And I have my exclusive credit membership where you guys can sign up for just $1 for the first 7 days. It's a trial. You guys can sign up, and you guys will get all the tips on how to increase your credit scores. You guys will get the letters to remove negative accounts from your credit reports also. But since you're a member, as soon as you sign up, you'll be a member of the exclusive credit membership. You guys will be able to have access to the free credit repair where we'll be able to send out letters for you on your behalf. So if this is something you're interested in, I definitely have the link down below. I have the link for the home buying if you guys are interested. And I have a few other links down below in the comments and in the description. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And let me know if you're able to get approved for any of these credit cards. Thank you. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.